And here are images of flooded roads and restaurants in the Mobile Bay in Alabama as Hurricane Ida is hitting the U.S. Gulf Coast. Take a look. Forecasters said Ida remained highly dangerous as it approached more populated areas already inundated with hours of rain. Ida is expected to remain a hurricane overnight but weaken to a tropical storm by Monday afternoon. Now, Ida was forecast to move well inland over portions of Louisiana and western Mississippi on Monday night. The National Weather Service issued a tornado watch for parts of Louisiana, including New Orleans, as well as part of Florida, Mississippi, and Alabama. Flooding was already underway in parts of Mississippi on Sunday morning. According to USA Today, Ida, moving over the extremely warm waters of the Gulf, saw its top winds grow by 45 miles per hour in 5 hours. The phenomenon, known as rapid intensification, is typically defined as a tropical cyclone whose wind speeds increase at least 35 miles per hour in 24 hours. That, according to Colorado State University meteorologist Phil Klotzbach, that has happened or that can happen when a storm encounters an extremely conducive environment, such as very warm weather or water, low vertical wind shear, and high levels of mid level moisture.